Hello guys, welcome to INSECTECHS and wish you a happy new year. And in this class we are going to see the installation of Windows 11, which I am going to use as an attacker machine. So my friends, as you can see on the screen, the link microsoft.com software download Windows 11. Open this link in your favorite browser and scroll down. Download now. Click on it to download, and before that click on Windows 11 multi-edition. And as you can see over here, I have already downloaded Windows 11 operating system ISO file, and as you can see the size of the file over here. And let me now open VirtualBox manager. As you can see, Kali Linux is running, and these are other operating systems. Click on the new button. In the name field, type the name of the machine. So let me type Windows 11 2024. Now let me choose the path where the ISO, where I need to save the VDI file. So the path is JVBox, and let me now mount the ISO file, which is Windows 11, as you can see, and click on the next. So now we have to give the username Kiran11, password strong password, and this is the host name of the machine. Click on the next button, and now you have to mention the base memory RAM. So it's now 4096, that is sufficient, and the processor count is 2, that is also sufficient. Click on the next button. Virtual hard disk, so it's now 80 GB, so click on the next. And this is the summary of the virtual machine that you are creating: machine name, machine folder, so on, username Kiran11, and now click on the finish button. The virtual machine is booting up. Now press any key on the keyboard and the installation has started. Setup is starting, and the entire video is self-explanatory. Copying the Windows file. Now it is 1%. So let me stop recording and I'll come back when it is 100%. So now it's 98%. Done. Installing features, installing updates. Soon it will finish, and you need to reboot the system. Click on restart now. Now your Windows 11 is restarting. After that, you need to install the guest additions. As simple as that. As you can see on the screen, starting services. Please wait. So Kiran11, this is my machine, Windows 11, and this is a welcome banner. Hi. Getting things ready for you. Things might take few minutes. So necessary services are starting. Please keep your PC on and plugged in. It's 2024. Good things coming your way. That is correct. Almost there, done. Now as you can see, this is Windows 11, and let me click on devices and insert guest additions. So this is a beautiful clean looking Windows 11 machine. As you can see, different folders. Click on PC, and as you can see, double click to open D drive, VirtualBox Guest Additions. These are the files within the ISO, Guest Additions ISO, and you have to install VBox Windows Editions. Double click the application, click yes. Installer started. Click on the next button, and fairly simple. Click on install, and guest edition installation is going on. That's it. Reboot now. Finish. Your system will start. As you can see, welcome banner once again. Now right click and click on the display settings. As you can see here, display resolution 1280 by 720, but it should be 1920 10080 anyway, 1280 720. As you can see, 1920 1080. So that's it guys, in this video. Have a great day. Thank you for watching the video and do subscribe to the YouTube channel INSECTECHS.